Acid reflux ruining your meals? This kit changed everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Younger, where we cut through the hype on natural health solutions that actually deliver. If you've ever felt that burning chest fire after a casual dinner, you know, the kind that hits like a freight train and keeps you up all night, you're not alone. Acid reflux affects over 60 million Americans yearly, and those chalky antacids? They're just a band-aid. Today, I'm diving deep into the Acid Reflux Solution Kit by Joe Barton. I tested it for 30 days, and spoiler, it's not your grandma's home remedy book. Stick around to see if it's worth the hype, and I'll share my before and after results. If you're tired of Big Pharma's quick fixes, hit that like button and let's get into it. 60M plus sufferers, $10 billion spent on meds yearly. First off, let's talk real talk about acid reflux. It's not just heartburn, it's GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, where stomach acid backs up into your esophagus, causing that painful burn, regurgitation, even trouble swallowing. The worst part? Conventional docs often say it's too much acid, so they slap you with PPIs like Nexium or Prilosec. But here's the kicker, those drugs might be doing more harm than good. Studies link long-term PPI use to risks like kidney damage, bone fractures, and even nutrient deficiencies. Yikes, right? I was popping them like candy for years until I hit my limit, fatigue, weird gut issues, the works. That's when I stumbled on Joe Barton's Acid Reflux Solution Kit through his site. Promise natural, drug-free relief? I was skeptical, but desperate times. Who's behind it? So, who is this Joe Barton guy? He's the founder of Barton Publishing, a company that's been dishing out natural health guides since 2004. No, he's not a doctor, he's a researcher and entrepreneur who's helped over 1 million folks with programs on everything from gout to neuropathy. But the real credibility boost? Their medical and nutrition advisor, Dr. Scott Saunders. This guy's legit, UCLA medical school grad, former traditional doc who got fed up with the system, you know, the one that pushes pills over plants. He now runs the Integrative Medicine Center in Santa Barbara, blending conventional meds with alternative stuff like nutrition and herbs. It's refreshing to hear a real MD calling out the flaws in mainstream treatment. The kit's built on their combined expertise, claiming to tackle the real root cause of reflux, not excess acid, but a weak lower esophageal sphincter and poor digestion triggers we ignore daily. What's inside the kit? Alright, let's unpack what's in this digital kit. Instant access after purchase, no waiting for shipping. It's like a full toolbox for your gut, priced affordably. Check refluxremedy.com for current deals, I won't spoil it here. Here's the breakdown. First up, the 3-day plan for eliminating acid reflux. It's a simple, no-fluff blueprint to reset your system. Day 1 focuses on detoxing with gentle cleanses, Day 2 builds in soothing foods, Day 3 locks in habits to prevent relapse. I followed it to the letter, think apple cider vinegar tonics and herbal teas that actually taste good. Next, the Natural Remedies Guide. This is gold, over a dozen safe, cheap fixes from your grocery store. Their star? A simple kitchen remedy for instant burn relief, a mix of baking soda, aloe vera, and slippery elm. Dr. Saunders swears by it in the video, saying it coats the esophagus like a natural shield. No more midnight Tums runs for me. Then there's the ready-to-use grocery list, categorized for easy shopping, alkaline boosters, anti-inflammatory heroes, and reflux-safe staples. Super practical. The Acid Reflux Cookbook? 37 GERD-friendly recipes that don't skimp on flavor. We're talking lemon garlic chicken, quinoa salads, even desserts like banana nice cream. I whipped up the soothing sweet potato soup on week 1, creamy, spicy-free bliss. Don't sleep on the workbook and resource guide for tracking symptoms, triggers, and wins. It's got journal prompts and progress charts, perfect for data nerds like me. Bonus perks, simple exercises for reflux and hiatal hernia relief, think diaphragm breaths and gentle stretches you can do in bed. And a special guide for infants and toddlers, if you're a parent dealing with baby spit up, this is a lifesaver. Overall, it's comprehensive without being overwhelming. Everything's downloadable PDFs and videos, mobile friendly for on the go. Key insights and my experience now, the meaty stuff. What does the kit teach about fixing reflux for good? Key claim numero uno, it's not too much acid, it's often too little, leading to undigested food fermenting and pressuring that sphincter valve. Mind blown. They back it with science-light explanations, no jargon overload. On PPIs? Brutal honesty, these drugs may be more dangerous than you think. Citing risks like bacterial overgrowth and osteoporosis, spot on with what I've read in journals. Their alternative? Boosting good bacteria with fermented foods and enzymes. My 30-day test? Week 1 was rough, ditching coffee hurt, but by day 5, the burning faded 80%. Meals became enjoyable again, no more post-dinner dread. Energy up, sleep better. Did it cure me 100%? Not quite, stress still triggers flares, but episodes dropped from daily to weekly. Over 100,000 people reportedly swear by this plan, and after seeing the testimonials on the site, I get why. Relatable. Pros, cons and who it's for. Pros: affordable, risk-free with that insane 365-day money-back guarantee. Barton Publishing's US support is responsive. Email or call 888-356-1146. Natural, evidence-inspired, and family-inclusive. Cons: no magic pill, requires commitment. Recipes are healthy but basic if you're a gourmet chef. And it's digital only, so print if you prefer paper. Who's this for? Anyone fed up with meds, busy parents, chronic sufferers, even kids' caregivers. Skip if you're mid-crisis needing ER care, see a doc first. Conclusion. Bottom line, the Acid Reflux Solution Kit isn't hype, it's a solid, science-meets nature roadmap to reclaiming your plate. After 30 days, I'd recommend it 9/10. If reflux is stealing your joy, grab it at official website by link in the description below and use that full year guarantee. No regrets. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment. What's your go-to reflux hack? Smash subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Eat well, stay reflux free. Watch my full recipe test. Get the kit now.